Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your OS and freeing resources. Windows 10/11 or Mac OS with 64-bit gives best results. Once done, pick a trusted wallpaper engine and download its installer. This is the only supported way to get live wallpapers running smoothly. Make sure to close heavy apps and back up your current desktop layout so icons stay put. Run the installer as administrator and accept required drivers or helper services. These let the engine render animated content without breaking system stability. After installation, open the wallpaper engine and grant permissions for overlays and audio. This enables sound-reactive or web-based wallpapers. Next, import or browse live wallpapers, videos, animated scenes, or interactive HTML5 files. Once loaded, assign the wallpaper to a specific monitor if you use multiple screens. Then fine-tune performance settings. Choose FPS limit, enable performance mode on battery, and set quality versus CPU/GPU usage. These choices control smooth. To finish, enable Start with System so your live wallpaper loads automatically. Save a profile for gaming or work to switch quickly. Make sure monitor targeting and audio sync are correct, and test across full-screen apps to confirm pause behavior. If performance dips, reduce quality or FPS, or switch to static on battery. If it fails to load, reinstall the engine, update GPU drivers, and run the app as administrator. That resolves most permission or driver conflicts and restores the live wallpaper function reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.